Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this here. It's the Fragile. It is the, I don't know, well I'll show you. It's like glass jar things, but let's see. I'll show you. I will open it up and we will see inside. Oh, if I don't cut myself first. So here we go. This is how it comes packed up. So it's going to be a set of several. I'll show you guys one, and we can maybe look at a second just to see how they compare, if they're all the same. But this is the jar. Really nice, heavy-duty glass jar. Look at that. And I think it's like for an oil diffuser thing, that's what it's called, or something like that. You see it's got the little thing there. I think you put sticks in it or something. I mean, oh, that's the cap. So I think you would open it up, put some stinky oil in there, and then you can put this lid on it and see it's open up at the top. So it'll look like it's closed, but really it's got the smells coming out the top. I wonder if this cap will go on it even after the fact. Yeah, so you could even cap it up there. So let's see, they all look the same. I think they're all going to be the same color and everything. I think it was a 4-pack of the same. Yes, that one is the same. Let's make sure all these look the same as well before I inform you incorrectly. Yes, these are all the same. So yeah, so it's a 4-pack of them. And so, yeah, so this is, just open up another. So it's like an oil diffuser, I guess is what they call it. But look how pretty that is. Very nice glass jar. I mean, it would even look nice for anything. You could probably put anything in it if you wanted to, or just even on display. Or you can cap it up. You can put something you want to store. It might even be nice to put, you know what I think I might use it for? On the counter for like my dish soap. So it kind of looks like it's closed all the time, but then you kind of pour a little bit out. I don't know, maybe not. But looks cool. I like these. These are nice jars. Very useful for several different things. So I'm going to say these are nice. And you get 4 of them. Here's 2 of the 4. The other 2 are wrapped up still. So very nice. Thumbs up from me.